Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. What is up? Just made myself a nice little iced coffee. Tried to make cold brew yesterday and it turned out so good, so I'm really happy with that. But it is currently about 8:20. I probably look sleepy because I'm from home for a few hours today. As you guys know, if you haven't seen my work week video, highly recommend going and check that out because I kind of talk a bit about my new project at work. So I'm going to be working from home for a few hours because I have a conference call with some regional directors at 10. So I'm going to be working from home for a few hours, but it is so nice out today. It almost feels like summer outside, honestly. So I am going to head to my parents' house and tie-dye, which is exciting, keeping my distance of course, but my parents are the only people I've seen throughout this, and when my test came back negative, they were like more willing to have me come over, which is nice. So, but I have big news to share with you guys, but I can't share for a few more days. But if you guys think you know what it is, let me know down below. You probably do because a few of you have guessed it, but yeah, so that's gonna involve me like going to my parents a lot more in the next few weeks. But anyways, that's that. So I'm gonna open my laptop, check my emails, kind of get the day going. I want to clean today, have a really productive day. I was supposed to do a big airy loungewear haul on an order that I placed in March and it's still not here, it got lost. So anyways, we're gonna work, we're gonna tie-dye, we're gonna clean up, we're just gonna have a really productive Saturday and I can't wait to take you guys along. I'm gonna change before my meeting, but my morning outfit is just this bralette from Aerie, and then these are just my typical Walmart joggers. You guys know how much I literally love these. So this is my little morning outfit. I think it's so cute, but I'm gonna have to change before my Zoom meeting, but it's gonna be a great day. I'm in such a good mood. Also, since I don't have a desk set up here yet, I love sitting at the kitchen table because it's just like so sunny and bright and all that much sunshine. So I either will sit here or go sit in like my little like makeshift desk upstairs, but I've been really loving it sitting in the kitchen in the window in the morning, hearing the birds chirping. So this might be my spot for a little bit. I mean, where I start out in the morning, but because I have my work laptop too that I'm gonna need to do some coding later, I'll probably have to go upstairs where it kind of fits better, my two laptops, or the dining room. But I can't wait to get a desk at some point, but for now I'll usually just sit here to like catch up on emails and make a to-do list and stuff, and then I'll head upstairs to my little desk, and I'm gonna get a cushion for it today, I think, because my butt hurts sitting on it. But I've decided to stay here because it's just like a lot more comfortable than working in the office. But I got the keyboard out, got my planner mouse pad, and then I brought out my work computer because I need that. So I'm gonna sit here. I'm also just checking my Amazon, but I'm gonna sit here. I also need to make myself another iced coffee, but and then I have my bestie Yell Google here to keep me company. So I just like the lighting here, it makes me happy. And this seat, these like bar stools actually are like perfect length to type. Like I don't need to bring my razor or anything, so that's nice. But I'm gonna get to work here and I will talk to you guys after. I'm really quickly just gonna take a little breakfast break to just put the dishes away. It's not exciting, but I have like 10 minutes till my call, so I'm gonna quickly put the dishes away. It's the great thing about working from home is you can take little breaks and clean up. So I'm just getting a little overwhelmed with the dishes, so I'm gonna put them away and wash them, and yeah. Okay, 9:51. I'm gonna make myself another coffee before the meeting. Also, I think you guys know I intermittent fast, but on my days off, which is like never anymore, I do treat myself to a little cream in my coffee like before I start eating, which I know is breaking my fast, but whatever. I'm just, yeah, that's that. So I have any more homemade cold brew right now, so I'm just gonna use the Starbucks one, but I love this one so much. It's so good. Like, I'm only putting a few ice cubes in here, but do my iced coffee, do some cold brew. And this is still my favorite coffee creamer. It's the oat milk vanilla one. Even Matt likes this, and he's like a full-on dairy guy. You know how men are just total dairy people? Like, he loves a glass of milk. I got him hooked on it. So we have that in there. So I'm just gonna put a little squirt of that in there, mix it up. Coffee, now it's time for a meeting. So much to do, but before I head over to tie-dye, before I head over to my parents, I'm just gonna clean up the kitchen a little bit. It just needs a little TLC, and I feel like I'm one of those people who would rather clean a little bit every day than like do one giant clean. So I'm just gonna wipe the counters down and clean up because I was in here cooking last night and made a bit of a mess. So just gonna clean the counters, and then when I get back later I have to like vacuum the couch and stuff. But that's my update. Anyone else love to clean? Because I love it. So this is the best smelling thing in the world, bamboo. It smells so fresh and clean. So this is what I use to clean the kitchen normally. Okay guys, I figured I'd give you guys a quick little OOTD of the day because I never do these, and I just want to start being like more, show you more, you know? I need to get out of my comfort zone with vlogging, so I'm gonna do that. So purse is Steve Madden. I get asked all the time where it's from. It's from Marshall's, but you can get it on the Steve Madden website as well because you can't go to Marshall's right now. So that. Glasses are from Amazon. T-shirt, this is that t-shirt I wear all the time. It's like that, it's the Aerie oversized boyfriend crop. Love it because it's like a crop, but it's not too cropped, you know? My jeans are Old Navy. They don't like have rips or anything. They're just plain blue jeans. And this is my cute little fit. And yeah, let's head over to my parents and do some distance tie-dye. Okay guys, so it's currently 3:30. I just left my parents' house. Well, not just, but I'm just on my way back to Matt's now, and I am going to do probably an hour or two of more work, some cleaning, and I have some cute clothes to show you guys from Walmart that I got that I'm really excited about. But I'm heading back to the house now, and I will chat with you guys when we get back there. Now I figured to show you guys what I'm having for lunch. I'm just having some water, and then I made myself this chicken Caesar salad bowl with a grapefruit, and then I'm just gonna obviously put some dressing on it. So that's my lunch. It's 4. While I eat lunch, I'm just gonna catch up on some work emails really quick. I wanted to show you guys I got 2 shirts from Walmart yesterday when I did groceries. So cute. This is the first one. It's just like a men's shirt. It's a tie-dye though, so I think I'm gonna crop it like the same length as this one, but I thought it'd be cute, even though I tie-dyed shirts today, but it was on clearance. It was 12 bucks. I got it for like 4, so that's super cute, and I'm going to crop it, so I'll do that later. And then I got this shirt for work. Y'all, Walmart is stepping their game up. I hope it fits, but it's just this super cute pink shirt. It's got buttons. I don't know, I thought it'd just be really nice for work. I'm really into like this coral color lately with like polka dots, so I got this. We'll see if it fits, but the tie-dye shirts were good. I don't know if they're gonna turn out. My mom said I guess you have to let them soak for 24 hours. So she's gonna text me a picture of what it looks like tomorrow. But when I get it, I'll show you guys. But it turned out really fun. It was such a fun activity. It was so nice outside. And yeah, it was a really fun way to spend the day from a distance with my family. So I'm packaged back from my parents' house as well, so I figured we could open that. I don't think there's literally anything exciting in it, honestly though. Yeah, nothing exciting at all. Total adult purchases. I just got 2 more boxes of these crackers. They're my favorite, and I get them on Amazon. I'm on this, but I just got some flossers. Literally not an exciting Amazon package at all, but that's cool. clean really quick. I just want to vacuum the couch and wipe the tables down, and then we're gonna sit outside with a glass of wine and we're gonna read on the Kindle and relax. That's the plan. So I need to do pretty adult stuff now and put away this laundry. These are just my workout clothes. If you can't tell, I have an obsession with energy bras. That's all of them. But I'm really trying to minimize my clothing. So this is like pretty much the only workout clothes I wear now. So I'm going to just like fold all this and put it away. Picked these up and I wanted to show you guys, but these are a little Moscato. I'm not a big Moscato gal, just because it's really sweet. I'm a big like Pinot Grigio gal. I like when wine's super dry, but I saw these and they're so cute and they're actually the perfect amount of sweetness. So anyways, I got them at the LCBO if you guys are interested, but they're super cute, so I'm gonna have that. I poured a little Pinot Grigio in here, but oh well. It's Saturday, so that's my cute little... I'm just having some leftover beef stroganoff from last week, I think, or the week before. So yeah, that's my little dinner. Honestly guys, I'm gonna sit down and eat my dinner and I'm gonna watch YouTube videos and probably just sit on the couch for an hour because I have not stopped all day long since I got up at like 7. So, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!